How do I find my VIN? Your car's vehicle identification number, VIN, is an important identifier you may need to provide to lenders, authorities, or insurers from time to time. But where is it? Finding it isn't too hard once you know where to look. Australian cars have used the 17-character VIN since adopting the International Standards Organisation's identifying method over 30 years ago. If your car was sold here since that time, it will use the still current VIN. Typically, each car's VIN is displayed on a small metal plaque, viewable from outside through the windscreen, at the bottom corner near the front passenger side door. In this case, there's a window, but no VIN. So open the driver's side front door and check where the door latches or elsewhere in the door area. Found it! Remembering those 17 characters can be challenging. Instead, we suggest taking a photo with your phone, writing it down, or use voice transcription to transfer it to your phone. Your vehicle's VIN is also often reproduced in the front of your owner's manual, which is also where you'll find all the locations where the VIN is reproduced. Just look up Vehicle Identification Number in the index and it will direct you to the page where all the locations are listed. The VIN can also be found on build plates and compliance plates, along with other information, and are fastened to the car.